later. Actually, from the 20th of December. Oh my god. Oh, the asparagus still looks good.
Asparagus in water.
Oh my god,
Tomatoes.
that smells wild.
Tabbouleh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Anyone put some tabbouleh? Oh my god. It's vile. Oh my god, meat. Oh, there's a bug in it!
Oh my god.
An egg, that's so useful.
Have an egg for lunch. Beautiful.
That's probably the only thing. Oh my god, that's gross. Oh my god, that is wild. Oh my god! Oh my god! You have to do the fucking dishes. Oh my god.
Oh dear.
Protein shake anyway.
Oh, it splashed my feet.
Oh god, what's the destruction?
And it is.
It still looks
Oh,
okay.
it's still
It's
fresh.
alright.
Bit of chilli.
Might have
Good.
that for lunch. Tuna? Oh no, these are my bowls. I want to take them out.
Oh, it's pretty
Oh, no,
good.
that's okay. Oh god.
Wow, look at those quality
look at those
containers.
zucchini.
Oh.
That pulse in the tongue. Oh my god. Coriander. Oh my god, the flies are coming.
Spring onions. Beautiful.
Ooh.
Open it.
Ooh.
Oh dear.
Mustard is gross.
No, mustard would be good. Okay.
So this is our nice gym fridge with some quality wine. Oh, forgot a bit of a lime.
Nice. Beautiful. And the verdict is?
The verdict is clean the fridge before you go away on fucking holiday.